Look no further than the 2019 Toyota Corolla. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Make your daily drive efficient and stylish in this well-equipped, affordable Corolla. Smooth and agile, its surprisingly spacious cabin spoils you with desirable infotainment features, while its advanced safety tech infuses every journey with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system, automatic headlights, trip computer, driver vanity mirror, cruise control, power windows. Enjoy the efficiency and style this captivating Corolla has to offer. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.